ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट यूनिट 9 इन लास्ट चैप्टर हमारी प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हमें 42 जे पर के जी पर केल्विन हमने डिस्कस किया कि अगर हमें 1000 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर को जितना कूल हॉट करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होगा दैट इज द is equal which carbon is uses or heat is provided from it is equal to the 42 J joule per kg per Kelvin. Here is a transfer of heat a unit about conduction. The handle of a metal spoon held in hot water spoon get warm, but in case of a wooden spoon the handle does not get warm. Cool not get warm. Both the materials behave differently regarding the transfer of heat. Both metals and non-metals conduct heat. Metals are generally better conductors than non-metals. In solids, atom and molecules are packed close together as shown in Fig 9.2. Hot to cold energy. They continue to vibrate about their mean position. What happens when one of its end is heated? The at most are molecules present at that end of the being of the vibrate more rapidly. They also collide with their neighboring atoms or molecules. In doing so, they pass some of their energy to neighboring atoms or molecules during collision with them with the increase in vibration. These atoms or molecules in turn pass one a part of the energy of the neighboring particles. In this way, some heat reaches the other part of the solid. This is slowly processed and very small transfers of heat take place from hot to cold parts in solids. How does then heat flow from hot to cold parts in metal or rapidly than no metal non-metals? Question mark. Metals have free electrons as shown in Fig 9.3. These free electrons move with the highly velocity within the metal objects. They carry energy at the very fast rate from hot to cold parts of the object as they move. Thus, heat reaches the cold part of the metal objects from its hot part much more quickly than non-metals. For example, we use iron plate, tawa as a in home. Urdu is also used to hot iron plate we use for making bread. So it he hot and the while the handle of iron plate is made by the wood or hot plates, electronics plate. So the particle quickly move this hot and they collision. Scientists says they collide with each other and they low. This is a contraction of the atoms, and the cold parts take place to the hot. This process continue the mode of the transfer of heat by vibrating atoms and free electrons in solid from hot to cold parts of a body is called conduction of heat. This conduction of heat. Here is a the amount of thermal conductivity. The amount of heat that flows in unit time is called the rate of the flow of heat. Heat जो हमारा flow है is equal to Q upon T. Thus here also the rate of flow of Q upon T is proportional to the area, the charge, heat and the time with respect to time and length of the solid. Also Q upon T proportional to the 1 upon L. So temperature difference between ends great rate of flow of heat in proportional also equal T1 minus T2. Combining the above factor, we will get Q upon T proportional to the area T1 minus T2 upon L. Rate of flow of heat Q upon T is equal to constant of the proportionality is denoted by Ka area into T1 temperature 1 minus temperature 2 upon length. Here K is the proportionality constant for thermal conductivity of the solid. Its value depends on the nature of the substance and it different for different material. For example, for equation 9.2 we can find K as K हम लेफ्ट साइड पे ले लेंगे और ऑल द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे Q अपॉन T इंटू L अपॉन A product area upon product with temperature 1 minus temperature 2. Thermal conductivity of the some common substance or Winston per meter per Kelvin. Air dry 0.0 Winston is a charge of the unit used in bulb. एल्यूमिनियम के इक्वल है, इसे काउंट किया जाता है. Aluminium 245, brass 105, brick 0.6, copper 400, glass 0.58, ice 1.7, iron 85, lead 35, plastic foam 0.03, conduction rubber 0.2, silver 430, water 0.58, 59, wood 0.8. Wood is not good conductor while the for iron for electricity, but lead or zinc is better conductor or good conductor. Conduction. So your conductivity. Radiation is a example. Radiation is the mode of transfer of heat from one place to another in the form of wave called the electromagnetic wave. Iron sun के थ्रू है. अब यहाँ हमें रेडिएशन थ्रू चार्ज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल मिल यूज़ करते हैं, ग्राइंड करते हैं. दिस इज़ अ रीज़न एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ रेडिएशन. कूल मिल में या आटा फ्लोर एंड व्हीट को हम ग्राइंड करते हैं. द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड द रेडिएशन process. The concrete roof of problem 1. The concrete roof of a house of a thickness 20 centimeter has an area 200 meter square. The temperature inside the house is 15 degree and outside is 35 degrees Celsius. Find the rate at which thermal energy will be conducted through the roof. The value of the K for concrete is 0.65 Winston per meter per Kelvin is equal to 13,000 joule per second. तो यह हमें फॉर्मूला गिवन है. यहाँ पे हमें फाइंड करने के लिए लेंथ हमें गिवन है 20 सेंटीमीटर. एरिया आल्सो गिवन है. टेम्परेचर 1T 15 डिग्री. हीट ऑफ द रूफ बतानी है. T1 15 सेल्सियस. कन्वर्ट इन केल्विन. Tk इज इक्वल टू C प्लस 273 डिग्री. यहाँ हम इसे अप्लाई करेंगे और आंसर निकालेंगे एंड देन डेल टी T2 माइनस T1 करेंगे. हीट रेट ऑफ हीट of flow of heat is equal to अननोन है. फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे और ये जो हमें गिवन फार्मूला है Q2 यहाँ पे हम इसे A1 T1 माइनस 2 प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. चेंज इन Q अपॉन T प्रोडक्ट लेंथ अपॉन एरिया टेम्परेचर प्रोडक्ट विथ T टेम्परेचर 1 माइनस टेम्परेचर 2. यहाँ इसे कांस्टेंट 0.6 इंटू यहाँ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 200 इंटू 20 0.6 5 अपॉन 0.6 यहाँ हमें गिवन. ठीक है. 0.6 कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू विंस्टन. प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो दैट इज इक्वल टू फ्लो of rate of heat is equal to 13,000 joules. How much heat is lost how much heat is lost in an hour through a glass window over through a glass window measuring 2.0 meter by 2.5 meter when inside temperature is 25 degree and that of outside is 5 degree Celsius. The thickness of glass is 0.8 centimeter and the value of K for glass is 0.8 Winston per meter per Kelvin is equal to 3.6 in product 10 power 7 raised power 7 and joules. So here so हमें charge flow charge rate of charge is equal to unknown rate of flow of heat in within time 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 is in second 3600 second area total area is equal to uh, अगर परपेंडिकुलर ट्राइंगल है या फिर रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म में 2 इंटू लेंथ इंटू विथ 2 इंटू और 2.5 विथ breadth and width length into breadth is equal to 5 meter square and the change in temperature 25 minus 5 Celsius ठीक है ये माइनस सेल्सियस इज इक्वल टू 20 L is equal to 0.8 cm is equal to 0.8 मीटर is equal to cm को कन्वर्ट करेंगे मीटर में तो that is equal to 0.008 मीटर के कांस्टेंट हमें गिवन है 0.8 विंगस्टन टिंगस्टन कहता है विंगस्टन और टिंगस्टन में हमें विंगस्टन मीटर पर केल्विन फॉर्मूला Q इज इक्वल टू K इंटू ए चेंज इन T इंटू टी यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट सब गिवन वैल्यूज़ को सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे इस फॉर्मूला के अंदर एंड कैलकुलेट दैट इज इक्वल टू Q इज इक्वल टू 3.6 इंटू 10 पावर से 7 जूल्स। ये हमारा 9 चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया न्यूमेरिकल्स और थैंक गॉड।